Hello, we would like to invite you to our new facility from Pumps GmbH in Herxheim. Let's come inside. Here you see our offices. And here our staff.
Hi, I'm Stefan. I'm the operations manager and I'm responsible to get Pumps GmbH and the staff to the next level.
Hi, my name is Martin Novak. I have been working for Amco for 2 years as a regional sales manager for Eastern and Southern European countries. I am located in Croatia. Pumps are my passion, and your success is also my success. So feel free to contact me for all questions at any time.
Hi, I'm Alex Goff, and I'm an applications engineer for Pumps GmbH, and I handle customer quotes and technical inquiries.
Hello, I'm Martina. I'm working in the back office since 4 years.
Hello, my name is Christoph. I work in the back office now since about a year.
Hello, my name is Bushra Bole. I work at Pumps in Herxheim and I am in charge of accounting.
Hello, my name is Simone Böhm. I'm working in the facility for Pumps in Herxheim and I'm working in the customer service and handle offers from customers from quote until the goods are shipped.
This is Ingo. He's working in the workshop as an industrial electrician and is a warehouse person.
Hello, I'm Heinz. I'm working in the workshop as a production operative and assembly mechanic.
Hello, I'm Georg. I work at Pumps GmbH as a production technician.
Hello, I am Dietmar. I'm working in the production as the production manager. I am working for Amco for 10 years now.
This is our working place where we build and repair our pumps. And also the area where we check and unwrap and wrap our goods, do some quality checks. At the doors we have our open orders waiting to be finalized, our welding area, our saw, our grinding and turning machine. The other side of the hall we have our large stock to support our customer needs. Here we have a training room for our customers and clients and some more space to grow.